In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly duplicate a product in Shopify. This is a particularly useful skill for those of you managing an e-commerce store and looking to save time when adding new products that are similar to those you already offer. Sometimes it's all about efficiency, and by following these simple steps, you can streamline your process and get your products listed much faster. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Shopify's website. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your online store. Open your web browser and type in the Shopify URL to reach the login page. Enter your credentials to access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the control center for your store. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard where you'll see several options such as Home, Orders, and Products. Click on Products. This will take you to a page that lists all the products currently available in your store. It's a comprehensive list showing everything from product names to their prices and availability status. If you have a large catalog, you might need to use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific item you wish to duplicate. Once you find the product you want to replicate, click on it to open its detailed view. Here, you'll be able to see all the product's information, including its description, pricing, and inventory details. Look for the Duplicate button, which is usually located towards the top right of the product details page. Clicking this button initiates the duplication process. This is one of those features that really makes managing similar products easier, especially if you're dealing with variations of a base item, like different colors or sizes. After hitting Duplicate, Shopify will create a new product entry that mirrors all the details of the original product. At this stage, you'll want to review this newly created product to make any necessary adjustments. Maybe you want to change the name to reflect a different variation or ensure that the pricing information is accurate if it differs from the original. Whatever changes you need, they can be made right from this product editing screen. Once you've finished tweaking the details to fit your needs, save the new product entry. Just like that, you're done. The duplicated product is now part of your store's inventory, ready to be published or further edited as you see fit. It's an incredibly efficient way to expand your product offerings without starting from scratch every time. By utilizing the duplicate feature, you can greatly reduce the time and energy spent on maintaining a dynamic and varied product line. I hope this guide has been helpful and has shown you just how straightforward it can be to manage products in Shopify. Thank you for watching and happy selling.